Hey there YouTube, Franshopper here. It's Thursday, November 19th, and it's the most wonderful time of the year. Or so they say. Alrighty, so this is Volume 5 of Maido in a Box. This is the Do-It-Yourself Holiday Cards edition. And let's take a look at what we have for this month. And, of course, if you do want to see the specs of everything that is in here, this is going to be scanned and available in the video description. Nice kind of laminated paper this time around. That's actually a change and very cool. And, okay, there are two different things here. This is probably everything that's inside, and the free gifts. Let's take a look at those in some more detail. Alright, so this time everything was actually kind of combined in the two packages. So not everything that's labeled free gift this time around is one of those. So everything that's over here on the left are the extras, and everything that's on the right is what everyone will get this time. So starting with the samples, we have a Tombow ABT Pro pen. We have a Platinum Citrus Black ink as the ink of the month. We have a Zig Clean Color Dot marker. And finally, we have some cool little stickers that are actually pretty thick, so these are actually nice. So let me move those aside and we'll take a look at what is included for the month on this side. Alright, so up first we have a fluid watercolor pad. This is some nice sort of, thickish paper. It's art paper, the stuff you'd kind of paint on. Following that, we have some rubber stamps from Kodomo no Kao. We have a Versa color stamp pad from Suki Echo. We have some Pentel colored pencils. And following that, we have a Tombow, Fuden Nosge pen with accompanying sheet. We have another Tombow ABT pen. What's a Maido in a box without a mild liner? And finally, a Kure Take Zig Wink of Stella glitter brush pen. This should be interesting. There you have it. That is Volume 5 of Maido in a Box. Happy holidays.